modules here that it comes standard with. And within the modules, then you're able to go in and add cropped images and lay them right down onto the screen. So you can resize, you can easily duplicate, you can mirror it if you'd like. You can change the color of something if you'd like. You can add text. Change the color of the text. Backgrounds. Paint. Change the color. You can import in from a gallery if you wanted. There's a measure mode. You can share drawings if you wanted to, so you can email. So we're going to go through a lot of the different features here with how you can use iDzyn. There's a projects module here in which you can go and you can save all your different drawings that you'd have here. So we'll just go through and show you some of the different examples and how you can use iDzyn. First, there's a cards option here in which you could go in and show us an example here of creating a Valentine's Day card in which you laid down all the different images and icons from the different modules, and they're able to go down and create your card or invite or whatever you'd be wanting to create, and then you can email this here to whomever. We also would have you could use it for a blueprint. So if you had a PDF or a blueprint off your camera roll, you can go in then. We have a grid mode in which you'd be placing the grid down, and once you get your grid and your scaling set, then you can go in and put down a measure mode in which you can measure distance and for calculating for material usage or estimating or whatever you need to for that. There's a mode for great for coaches here, which we have a module called Fields, Rinks, and Courts, in which we're able to go in and show an example here of a football field in which we're being able to position the players or how we want them, and then go in and add where you want the routes to go or players to move to. Then you can go in and put your text down and name it and email this or share it with other coaches and other players. So that's a real good one there. We can also put your team's logos and colors in that way for a custom module for your schools or organizations to be able to use. We have module here called drawing, showing here in which we've got a tracing module, and then you're tracing around that sketch, and then you're able to then go in and add the different images from the cropped in. This is showing from the cartoons module here and from the hats module, adding those on top of the drawing there, and then being able to then email us or share it. So that's a great one for kids. This is a great one this is an enterprise version here in which we're able to go in and create a custom module where you can send us your logos, your products, or your services, and then we can build a custom module so that your sales and marketing teams are better armed with presentations and what have you using your iPad in the sales field. So that's a really good one there. And then we've got one here called cartoons, in which you're able to then go in and lay down different cartoons and show different images here and that. Again, being able to share them however you'd like. Really useful one here is documents in which you're going into. So you go into your camera roll and you've got a document that you want to edit or sign or share or email that way. You can go in and put down whatever text you wanted to, and get rid of the background, and then put the text where you wanted to, and then you can go in and sign off on it if so. That's a real good useful one there. um, this is showing again how the cropped images and so you can customize in and being able to add, resize, showing the different layering here. So you could import in a photo and put these down on top of it here. So there's a lot of real neat, useful ways in which you can use iDzyn, and I hope you enjoy it on your iPad. Thanks for watching.